I'm just presenting some examples to you of things that I've done in the past. Unfortunately, a lot of my stuff isn't as recent as I like it to be. I lost a lot of my work on my computer when it crashed, so kind of left with what I have here. This first piece is just a piece that I did way early on. It was just for the photography course and drawing perspectives. It was a contour line assignment. At the time, I wasn't really sure whether this was the right avenue for me because I didn't have the design skills that I thought a lot of other people had that I should have. But doing this one particular assignment just kind of showed me that I could really do something with this and get better as I went on. This next project was for a scripting class, and it was building a website. Just having a little fun creating a restaurant website, which started out as a travel website, hence Exotic Adventures. But it was using Photoshop, Illustrator, and then uploading in a Dreamweaver for the web. It was a great project. It was a lot of fun. You get to use a lot of creativity, a lot of elements to pull it together, and just really enjoyed doing this particular project. The next example that I have is from a PHP scripting class that I did. We came up with this mock-up website. Bolt House Farms is what I did. And basically what it was is creating external like logins so that the user can write their information in. And then after that, you would upload it it would actually load itself into a database and write that. So if I had to use the information for the last page, we would have wrote that into this page. I thought there was kind of a neat science behind that. We used Dreamweaver and XAMPP for most of this particular project. I'm really a big fan of kinetic animation, and it's something that I really want to explore later on. So this next video is something I did early on. It was mostly for fun, but also for a class as well. So here that part is. That was just a short clip. Just mostly what I used in that was After Effects, just for the text manipulation, Photoshop and Illustrator to bring in the different elements. This next project was a course for user design, and it was choosing a topic that meant something to you, and ours was worldwide poverty. It was a group project, but this was mostly my solo contribution. It was using After Effects, Photoshop, InDesign, just a little bit of everything to put this together. It took a long time, but it was a great project. Learned a lot from it, and looking back on it, I can see what I have left to learn. And that's, easing in on transitions, sizing, just things to make it more relatable and more visually effective to people watching it. But this is something that I really like with the animation, something that I really want to concentrate on in the future, just because I think it's a great hobby and a great line of work. This next clip is from a video class that I did, and I was essentially using somebody else's video clips and putting it together to movie and music. So here is that. So thanks for tuning in and watching my examples. Like I said, I've got a lot of work to do and a lot of growing to do, but hopefully getting better and better, and looking forward to seeing all the rest of your examples as well. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.